Hi guys, good morning. Look at this chocolate. I have this is a gift from my kunyada from Switzerland. It's a Laderac chocolate. It comes with a seal on both ends like this and a ribbon, guys. Tikman natin. Tikman natin kung masarap ba ito. Laderac. Sino yung from Switzerland dyan, guys? Masarap ba ito? May ano rin sa gilid niya, oh, pala. Kuha na lang tayo ng isa. Hindi ko kasi mabuksan mag-isa eh. Ito. Yan, tikman natin kung masarap. Masarap, guys. Super yummy. Bye. Thanks for watching.